my Bugatti. Oh my god, why so loud? Driving my Bugatti, Gotti. What the? How did I drive that bad? I'm literally in a Bugatti. Bugatti just. I know what am I talking, but why is it so shaky? Okay, restart. Get out of here, bro. No! Bro, what? Why? Just what? I'm just losing it on purpose because I don't want this stupid game. Get out of here, bro. Bro, get out. Get out. I don't want it. Okay, get out of here. It's already so laggy that I think oh my god. Okay, let's drive. Okay. Go away, please. Oh my god! Oh my god! What am I doing? Ow. I just broke my car. Driving on my Bugatti, why is it going sideways? Why is it going sideways? I'm so like no, never mind. Why am I going sideways? Why am I going sideways? Why am I going oh. Well, my Bugatti is broken. I'm Japan. It's a Japanish, so I'm Japan ball. So I'll drive on my. What the hell? What the hell is that? What the hell is that? Okay, now he's drowning the shark. Suffocating the shark. What am I doing, bro? Finally, it loaded, and my game's frozen. Oh, never mind. Let's drive the Japanish core. Okay, I'm okay. Why did I drive better than the Bugatti one? Never mind, I drive horribly. Right? Can you please tell me what am I doing wrong? I swing on the X-ray mode to see what's happening. Everything is normal, but somehow it feels like I lost a wheel. So nice and slowly. Maybe checking my Jeep. Oh, no GPS today. Maybe yes GPS. I still can't see my GPS. Hello? Help me! Eek! I'm driving my broken car in the game. Not in real life, that's a game. Cause there's buttons. There's buttons. Buttons. Oh my god. my god. Maybe, I don't know, you can just say, should I make my shortest video ever? Like, it'll be 1 minute or 44 seconds. Maybe my shortest video is Untitled Mountain Playground Video 2. It has average of 0.44 minutes or 44 seconds. Maybe I should do like 30 seconds, maybe. So what do you think? Tell me in the comments. If you don't want to, it's okay. Okay, I want to see what this car can do. I know what the hell is going on. Okay, what the hell, bro? I just broke my car. Get out. What happened? Oh. Well, the motor is broken. I can't move. I can't move on, baby. Don't move. Okay. No, I definitely broke the cord. Like, oh my god. Okay. Oh, not polybus. No polybus. Brawl Stars time. Hello? Where's Files. Summer sale. Hello? Okay. Help me. Help me, please. It's so lame. I know why I am El Primo. Oh my god. Shut up. So. Okay. 8-bit. Hello, 8-bit. Okay. 8-bit. Okay. What is that? Yes, 8-bit. I'm 8-bit. Yeah. I know why I'm 8-bit, but it is not 8-bit. How does that make sense? Okay, I'm dead. Okay, let's go. Don't ask why my nickname is Every Ant. Oh my god. Bye. Oh, bro, get out of here! I don't want you just. Okay. Oh, I literally stopped. Oh my god! Get out of here! I'm dying. I'm dying. But get out of here! Everything attacked me. I died. Still, Iraq says, proceed. Excellent. Hello? Let's do duo showdown. Yeah. Duo. Nope. Trio. Brawl! Let's brawl together. Okay. Yes, I said together. Wow, I got a lucky one. I've got a lucky team. Let's go! Oh my god. I wanted to shoot you to death. And my legion god. Get out of here, bro. Bro, die. Just die. I said die. Can you be asleep, please? Please, be asleep. Please. Please. Go back. Oh my god. Thank you. Well done. Okay. Hello? Lebanon? Hello? Wait a minute. Where are they? Okay, why no? Marshmallow. Stop appearing at me. Stop appearing at me. Yes, kill him. Destroy him. Bro, meteor. Oh. Okay. Most damage. Okay. I just killed 3, he killed 5, he killed 5. Okay. He died once. We would take his Edgar. Okay. 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 I don't want this, bro. Bro. Leave me alone. Okay, please. Please end the video. Thanks. What am I doing? I'm shooting him rapidly. I just get nothing because of this. Okay, bye. Oh, wait a minute. Get out of here. Hope I get Okay. Bye guys. Until I just defeat this guy. Maybe. No, I can't. Bye.